What is good, YouTube family? It's your boy Bobby. Now today, guys, we're gonna be installing some struts. Not the lowering struts, the struts for your hood. Hood struts. Alright guys, so we got these off of 86speed.com. I'm going to leave their website down in the description if you guys want to check them out. So I decided to install these because it's just going to make it so much quicker to get into the engine, and that's literally it. And it was only 50 bucks. Let's get to it. First thing you want to do is come inside your car and pop your hood open, obviously. On like this. Then this is going to be eliminated with those. What you're going to be removing is only 2 bolts. You're going to remove this one here, and there's another one here. And then the bracket that you're going to place down here is going to slide underneath this. And then you're just going to put the bolts back on there. That's pretty much it for the install. So let's get to it.
So we didn't want to record the first one. We wanted to record the second one, so we knew we had it down packed. But with the first one, Bobby installed this bracket right here backwards, and this didn't close. The hood, it just banged it. You close the hood like this, and it was just like bang, bang, bang. Not as funny, but just. And then the worst part was we couldn't get it off. So it was like literally 45 minutes of just like messing with that, when this was only a 15-minute job.
And then his dad was roasting me.
Exactly.
I'm just gonna put these bum-ass brackets on.
Bum-ass brackets.
This one goes like this. He's a good guy.
What's that? What's that?
He's a good guy. Back up, boy. So you're gonna need a 12 and a 10. 10 for this one here, 12 for the one on top. Simple. So you're gonna stick this in here, grab your pin, slide it through the hole, what she said. There you go. There you go.
Should do the bottom one first.
No, you're supposed to do the top first. What? That's what the video says.
Take myself a little seat.
One eternity later.
It wasn't in all the way, was it?
What are you talking about? Of course it was.
Oh, it's going in right now, so is it? Oh, we did it.
It's pretty cool. What do you think? That took us.
It was worth the laughs.
Way longer than it should have. I dig it, man.
It was worth the laughs.
It's pretty. Yeah, it was worth the laughs. I'm guessing.
So why'd you get these again?
I got a little frustrated. What?
So why'd you get these again?
Oh, okay. Weight reduction, because you get to delete this. You get to delete this little hood rat right here.
Right.
And it was cheap as balls. So eBay. It wasn't on eBay. It was 86speed. Racer. I mean, racer. No, I mean honestly, I just I thought it was pretty cool, and I don't like using this to latch it up there. And eventually I'll remove that. And I don't know. When I first saw it, I thought it was pretty cool. You know, I'm gonna close out the video. Huge shout outs to John as always.
What's up?
What's up? I'm gonna actually link his YouTube in the description. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, he would have a video for you guys. If not, well, I don't know what to tell you guys. Stay tuned for next Saturday. As always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.